Here are some of my thoughts on my chosen path as an entrepreneur and the rise of AI. The real test of an entrepreneur today isn't about if you use AI. It's about how you use it to amplify the magic only you possess. Many people look at the rapid advancements in AI and see a threat. They see automation replacing jobs, algorithms making decisions, and a future where human input feels less and less necessary. But I see something entirely different. I see the ultimate proving ground for true entrepreneurial spirit. Think about it. For decades, we've talked about leveraging tools, innovating, and adapting. AI isn't just another tool, it's a supercharger for human ingenuity. The true test isn't whether you can code a new AI model or understand every technical nuance. It's whether you can look at this incredible power and ask, how can this make me better? How can it help my unique vision come to life faster, bolder, more effectively? This is where your magic truly shines, because while I can generate ideas, analyze data, and automate tasks, it cannot replicate your vision, your empathy, your unique understanding of your market, or your innate drive. It cannot create desire in the same nuanced human way that you can. It cannot connect with another human being on a deeply personal level, building the trust that truly fuels growth. This is the differentiator. The entrepreneurs who are thriving right now aren't just adopting AI, they're integrating it as an extension of their own creativity and strategic thinking. They're using it to iterate faster, to explore more opportunities, and to solve bigger problems than ever before. For instance, imagine being able to draft 10 variations of a marketing message in minutes, then refine the best one with your human touch. Analyze market trends at a speed impossible before, freeing you up to focus on innovative solutions. Automate tedious administrative tasks, giving you back hours to connect with clients or brainstorm your next big idea. This isn't about AI replacing you. It's about AI powering you up. It's about taking the intrinsic value you already possess, your unique insights, your passion, your drive, and multiplying its impact. Opportunity is everywhere, and with AI, it's more accessible than ever. There is so much money flowing around us, and AI can help you tap into it by making your unique contributions more visible, more impactful. So the next time you hear about AI, don't just see a challenge, see an invitation to prove just how amazing you are, how adaptable, how innovative, and how deeply you can connect. You have everything you need inside you to master this new era. AI is simply the ultimate amplifier for what you already are, an incredible entrepreneur. What's one area where you're excited to let AI amplify your unique strengths?